it's me again, guys. Good afternoon, and today I'm gonna cook menudo with hot dog, okay? So these are all the ingredients. You need salt, black pepper, soy sauce, pork cubes, hot dog. The pork I marinated with soy sauce and black pepper, and then tomato sauce. And then you can use also menudo sauce, but I do not have it, so that's why I use the tomato sauce, okay? And then carrots and potatoes, garlic, onions, and bell pepper, okay? Saute the garlic. Saute the onion. Okay guys, so this is it. We're gonna simmer first for how many minutes, and we'll be right back and cover first. Okay. Look at that one. The pork is partially cooked, so we're gonna add the hot dog. And the bell pepper. And then add this one. Soy sauce. And then the tomato sauce. Okay, we can put water of this soup. Okay, more water. Okay. And then we simmer again, guys. Look at, it's very yummy to look at that, guys. Okay, we simmer until the meat and the vegetables are totally cooked. Okay. Okay. Guys, it's already cooked. Okay, this is our menudo with hot dog is done. Look at that one. Okay. So we're gonna test it. Okay guys, it's super yummy. So it's done. So our menudo with hot dog is done. So I'm gonna taste the carrots, potatoes. Okay. Okay guys, so ang gamit, I'm gonna taste the meat. It's super yummy and the meat are very soft. So guys, so that's our menudo. The hot dog is soft. It's done and it's super yummy. Watching, and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.